I got it. Yes, that is the first state sign that I got on camera. It is the last
well,
state
you've been
sign.
to all the states now on a trip. Illinois, Indiana, Ohio,
Illinois.
Kentucky,
I live in Illinois.
Tennessee,
Wait,
Georgia.
What is this? What does that say?
Come on.
It has two signs in it. America. Hola, hola, señor.
Hola.
¿Cómo estás?
¿Qué pasa?
What? Ew, that's gross. What is that?
That is.
Looks disgusting.
It's right on here.
Where? I just see water.
It says.
How many minutes? 9 minutes.
Resort entrance, guest registration.
Alright, hey guys, so I am at the hotel, or I guess it's a villa, but here is the outside, and the ocean is right over there. You can't really see it. I guess you can, like right there. But yeah, this is pretty nice. She's got like a little mini kitchen, bathroom. We got some bunk beds and another room. But yeah, so pretty cool. I'm gonna go down soon and meet up with Cubing for Speed or Austin and do some team bind because we gotta practice for that. And yeah, so I'm gonna go, but I'll be vlogging later today and the next couple days. So yeah.
5. Last call for Megaminx Heat 4.
Okay, go for it. So wait, so here, inspection for, I guess, alright, just inspect.
Should we do the cross first?
Yeah, cross, 1 up to L, O low PL. Alright, ready, 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah!
Cross. Oh man, I hate this cube.
I'm gonna go get him.
Wasn't that bad? 28? Wasn't that bad?
16 to away from
3, 2, 1, go.
I got a 12, alright, a 13.
Actually, something skipped. 7. It's still 7 to go. To fail, that's a 7.
So you can tell the difference on mine, or do you want me to?
I'm going for us, What? Oh. behind the
Oh,
design.
design,
yeah.
Behind the design.
And then,
Thank you, Eric and Anthony.
Plus 2 to 1 Steve at 4.
Ten, 3, 8 for Nathan.
All right, and our Mosaic team winners will also be given gift cards to the cubicle.us.
In second place, with an average of 8.34 seconds, from Germany, Cornelius Diekmann. And in first place, by 0.01, with an average of 8.33, the winner of U.S. Nationals 2015 and the U.S. champion in 3x3, Drew Braggs. For 3x3, our competitors in third place will receive $300, second place $600, and third place $1,000 from the cubicle. In addition, we have the large wooden homage to Erno Rubik that he will be presented with. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the podium for U.S. Nationals 2015. And once again, our national champion, Drew Braggs.
Alright, hey guys, I am back home from US Nationals. It is, I think it's August 5th. So I got back yesterday, and yeah, I actually did not record that much at Nationals. Right now I just edited the footage, and it's about 9 minutes long. And I'm about to show you everything I got at Nationals and everything else that happened. So altogether this video is probably going to be 15-20 minutes, so it'll take a little while to upload, but it's okay. But yeah, I didn't record that much and I kind of regret it. I should have probably recorded more. But I think the videos turned out pretty nice, and I'm just going to show you right now what I got from Nationals. The first thing I got when I walked in, I went to the registration table, and they gave me this, which is the name tag, and then it has your heats on the back of it. So I did 3x3, or 2x2, 3x3, one-handed, and 3x3, and then the heats and the time. I only competed Friday and Saturday, and then I'll get to what I did Sunday, which I was very excited about. But let's just go over this mat. When I walked in, got that, and then I also got the egg This they gave to you for free when you walked in. You got that, this, and then you also could choose from I think 3 different colors of this cubicle bag. I just got a blue one. I don't know if I'll use this really. I've never used a cube bag before, but maybe I'll use it. I don't know. But yeah, you got that, the egg, and then the name tag lanyard thing. So after that, I went to the cubicle, which was actually pretty cool to see a cube store that's online in person and just going up there and buying whatever cube you want. They did only bring the most popular cubes on the market right now and the newest ones. But I did go up there and I bought this mat, US Nationals 2015 mat. It's really nice. And yeah, so it has Hilton Head Island, SC, July 31st, August 2nd, 2015. So yeah, I'll just go over the signatures real quick. I didn't get that many. I really just wanted like specific people, I guess. And yeah, so I got Steph G, Ben, Dan, Austin, or Cube Speed, Will Hamilton, which he's really fast and he's really cool. Hashtag Cuber, Matt Bonner, he was really nice. Kenny, Just Keep Cubing, Anthony Brooks, Joshua Farron, Derpy Cuber, Cubologist or Damien, Matt or TehCubeDude, and Kevin Hayes. So Kevin Hayes was actually the last person that I got. I walked up to him, I was like, hey, can you sign this? And he was in a hurry, so his signature's kind of sloppy, but it doesn't really matter. So yeah, that's the mat. Really nice. I love it. And moving on to the cubes that I bought or traded or just got from Nationals. So when I went up to buy the mat, I also bought this mini Osu. It's really nice. I loosened it, so it pops, but I'm going to set it up and hopefully it'll get better. But I like it so far. I just wanted to get it because I feel like the Osu is kind of big in my hands, so I bought this one. So then, later on, I don't know if it was Friday or Saturday, but the Cubicle did this contest, I guess it was a giveaway, where you take a picture with the MoU banner and show it to them and you get a free cube. The 3 cubes they were giving away were the Mei Ying, the MoU Cube, and the Yoo-Hoo Megaminx. So those were the 3. It was at random. And yeah, so you just went up there, showed them the picture, and you got a free cube. Now, I was not happy with the cube that I got because I don't do Scube. I got a MoU Scube. I mean, I guess it's nice, but I don't do Scube at all. I will never do Scube. I mean, I don't know. I just don't like Scube. So I tried to sell it at Nationals, but no one really wanted it. But if anybody wants this, I guess I could send it to you. I'd probably sell it for like $10, $11. And yeah, so got that for free. I was kind of hoping I would have gotten a Mei Ying because I really wanted one, but I didn't. But yeah, that's the MoU Cube. I think it was Saturday that I just really wanted a Mei Ying, so I just went up to the cubicle and bought one. I did get it in white, so here it is. Oops. Really nice. I love it. I kind of regret getting in white, but it doesn't really throw off my recognition. Yeah. So there's the Mei Ying. Then, I did trade with Nathan Soria. I got 2 cubes. Now, I did leave one at the hotel, which I am so mad about. He traded me the 50mm Zanchi. I think it was for the Along V2 that I had. And then I also got this Weilong V2, mini Weilong V2, in the primary plastic from him, and I traded him a while long. But that 50mm Xanshi, I left at a hotel in, I think it was Kentucky. I'm so mad I did that though. I loved that 50mm Xanshi. It was so good. I was going to use it for one-handed. So I feel really bad. But yeah, I think I was like cubing and it fell off the bed. And then I was so tired I just like fell asleep. And then in the morning we like woke up really early to get on the road. And I kind of just totally forgot that it was on the floor. So I thought I had all my cubes, but apparently not. So yeah, I'm really mad about that. But yeah, so I got this. It's really nice. I think maybe I'll just use this for one-handed. But yeah, pretty mad about that. So I think this is the last cube that I bought from Nationals, which is an Oshi, Moyu-Oshi or Oshi, I don't know. But yeah, I bought this. It's pretty nice. The main reason I bought it was to complete the 2x2 through 7x7 collection, I guess. I have solved it twice. First time was with the help of Austin because I could not solve it. So I'm going to talk about how I did in my events. The first event was 2x2. I got a 6-second average, which I was pretty mad about because I do not get 6-second averages. But I guess I was a little nervous because that was my first event in a competition since like last year, so pretty nervous. But I mean, I don't know. I guess it was okay. I didn't really care about 2x2. The next event was 3x3 one-handed, and I actually did really good for one-handed. I usually don't do that good. I usually get probably high 40s, low 50s. But I did get a 43-second average, which was so good for me. I got a 37-second single, so that was awesome. So pretty happy about that. And then for 3x3, I messed up, but it was a 14. I think it was a 14.07 average, which I was like okay about. I got a 19-second. That was my worst one. But it didn't count for the average, so that was good. And then, surprisingly, I think it was like 20 off, but I did make it into round 2 of 3x3. So that was Sunday, and I went up to compete, and I got a really good average. I was so happy about it. I did not expect to get it at all. It was a really good average for me. I got a 12.96 average in 3x3 round 2. I got an 11-second single, and then I did get a POL skip on the last solve, which was a 12-second solve. So yeah, 12.96, and before, I think on Saturday I was telling like people, I was like, oh, I'm expecting to get like a 14-second average, but if I get lucky I'll get like a 13, hopefully, and then I got a 12.96 average, so I was so happy about that. So I think my official PB is 11.33, and then PB average if I was 12.96, so pretty happy about that. I don't think I'll beat the 12.96 in my next competition just because that's a really good average for me. So that's all the stuff that I got and how I did in my events, so pretty cool, happy about it. So the people I met TehCubeDude, or Matt. He was really nice. I think I sat at his table a couple times, just hung out, and what else? I met DerpyCuber, #Cuber, Matt Bonner. He was really nice. I did meet Damien, which was awesome. It's just cool to meet people that you've talked to on Skype for so long and then meet them in person. So yeah, I met Damien, and I'll probably add some pictures in of people that I met at the end of this video. I basically said everything for US Nationals 2015. I had a lot of fun. It was the best competition I've ever been to, but I've only been to 3 now, so hopefully I'll be going to, I think it's Mishawaka fall, I don't know. But I might be going to that, so if you're going to that, put that in the comments. I really wanted to meet like subscribers that went there, but I didn't really know what you guys looked like, so I did meet a couple people because they recognized me. I think the coolest, like most like surreal thing was that I signed stuff. which was I didn't expect to sign anything, like but I did sign like 3 mats and like 4 cubes, so that was cool. People just came up to me and were like, "You TehCubeGirl, you know, can you sign this?" So I mean, I didn't expect that to happen. It was just really cool doing that and meeting people, and yeah, so I had a great time. Depending on where it is next year, I might be going. If it is closer, then I'm sure I have a better chance of going, but if it's in California, then I'm not going. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed. If you like watching my videos, please subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.